Okay, you could do this. Just breathe. It's just coffee. This is it! Oh my gosh, Bean in Bloom! It looks adorable. Let's check it out. Hi, good morning. Are you still accepting applications for the barista position? Here's your oat milk latte. I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you so much. It smells delicious.
Welcome to Bean in Bloom. Come on in, we've got the freshest coffee waiting just for you.
Oh, hi. I just got here.
Hey there, come on in, grab a seat. We've got plenty of fresh coffee and pastries waiting. There you go. It looks like it was made for you.
Just finishing up getting ready? It's gonna be a great day here at the Bean in Bloom. I'm just getting it perfect. There. See? Ready to go. What do you think?
And that's how you highlight the specials of the day. Oh.
I understand now. Thanks.
This right here, the Americano, is a perfect choice if you like a bold, rich flavor. The latte is our most popular drink. It's a smooth espresso with steamed milk and a thin layer of foam right here. And right here, the cappuccino. It's the perfect balance of espresso, steamed milk, and a nice thick layer of foam on top.
Espresso, latte, cappuccino, macchiato. Okay, got it.
We also have our tea selection here, including green tea, black tea, and chamomile tea. And these are the famous golden croissants, baked fresh.
Wow. They look amazing.
They're a favorite.
Thank you for showing me all of this. Okay. So, is that a mocha? Oh, no, wait, that one. What? I don't get it.
You've got this, Mia. Just take a deep breath.
Okay. Thank you so much.
All right, Mia, it's pretty simple. Tap here to start the order.
Okay, got it.
Exactly.
Ik does that, that's perfect.
Now just select their drink.
Perfect. What's next?
Good. You can easily pay by tapping your phone or card right here. I'm really impressed with how you handled that. Great job.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Greetings. I'll take a large caramel macchiato, extra foam, non-fat milk, heated to exactly 160 degrees and stirred counterclockwise exactly 3 times.
I can't believe that just happened. It was the funniest thing I've seen all day. But don't worry, I'll take care of it for you. All right, a latte for you. That will be $5, please. I hope you enjoy your drink.
Great job with that digital tap.
Thank you, that's what I'm talking about.
Nice.
Oh, I know, it's so easy.
See?
Yes! I finally got it right. That's a new record. Wow, I'm so proud.
That's amazing, Mia. I'm really impressed.
Thank you so much.
All right, so pay close attention to this gauge right here. We want the pressure to stay consistent. And this steam wand is how we get that perfect velvety texture. This is the main power button. Just give it a tap, and the whole system starts heating up for the perfect brew. You hear that high-pitched hiss. That's the sound of the air being incorporated. Once it's warm enough, we submerge the wand completely. I hope you enjoy this one. I put a little extra care into the latte art today.
I'm not sure if I'm doing this right. It looks like it's about to explode or something. What should I do?
Don't worry, Mia. Just take it step by step.
Welcome to the cafe. What can I get for you today? Just a regular coffee, please.
Sorry, could I quickly add a pastry to that? Do you still have the chocolate croissants left?
So this is our small size, the classic. If you'd like a little more, we have our medium. And for those really needing a boost, there's the large.
I've decided on the large caramel macchiato, hot, and a slice of the lemon loaf, warmed up.
That will be $6.75, please. Thank you so much.
Liam, you're welcome.
Here is your caramel cappuccino, made with extra care. Oh, wow, this looks perfect. Thank you so much, Mia.
Thanks so much. This looks amazing. Have a great day.
I thought I'd never finish that order. Finally! What a relief! I can't believe it's over!
Is anyone working here? I've been waiting for 10 minutes. I need to get to a meeting.
Yes, I understand, but I specifically asked for almond milk, and I'm already running incredibly late for my 9 o'clock.
I-27's so sorry. I think I messed up the whole order. This is too much. I can't remember anything. Would you mind repeating that a little bit slower for me?
All right, let's try this again. 1 large latte, 2 chocolate croissants, and 4 sugar packets on the side.
Espresso, latte, muffin. Your total today will be $14.50.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Americano up?
Perfect, Mia. Muffin's ready too.
Thanks. Great teamwork. Here is your large coffee and muffin. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
All right, I can do this. I've prepared for this. This is it. This is it.
You've got this, Mia. Just take a deep breath and give it a shot. I know you can do it.
Welcome. What can I get for you today? A latte and a muffin? No problem.
Hi, I'll be right with you. Need an extra hot flat white? Coming right up.
All right, next in line. Large iced coffee, got it. Finally, a moment of peace. I thought we'd be swamped all day.
I'm really proud of you. Take a sip of water, okay?
Yeah. Thanks, Carlos. I needed that. You know, some days are just really long. But I wouldn't trade it for anything. I really love this place. And the people. And that is officially the end of my shift. Gosh, I am so ready to go home and put my feet up. I'm gonna miss this place so much. Thank you for everything. It was such a good meeting. I'm really happy with how that turned out. Yeah, I should be home in about 15 minutes. I honestly can't believe it's finally done. It was exhausting, but look at us now. I'm so proud of how this turned out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down there. It really helps me out. I was just sitting here thinking, and I wanted to ask you something. What's your favorite way to relax after a long day? It was so great having you over. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.